How to list a digital item on Facebook Marketplace. Now, Facebook Marketplace is mostly being used to list or sell a physical product so that there is no category to sell a digital item specifically. But if you really want to sell the items, you can still list that through the normal process. You just simply need to go to the Facebook Marketplace at very first and go to the option of sell. And once you go to sell, tap to create listing and select the option of one item from here. And once you select the one item, you just simply need to add the photos or screenshots of your digital item. And after you do that, just simply title your digital product. You can sell the templates or the games or anything that you want to sell digitally. And once you do that, you have to put a price tag, and then in the category you need to select something from the entertainment, because most of the times you are selling those items digitally, otherwise there are no fitting options. You can also pick electronics or hobbies, but I don't think other things can fit on the digital product. But depending on the what kind of digital product that you have, you can select the category as well. And then you need to select the condition, and in the description describe how can you deliver the digital product and what is the use of it, and you have to describe it pretty carefully. And after that, you can also change the optional things from the bottom, which is not really necessary, but if you really want to change it, you can also customize it. And then tap to the publish button from the top right corner, and this is how you can very easily list a digital item on Facebook Marketplace. The process is not that different. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.